Hello, my name is Antonio. In this video, I will demonstrate how to power cycle the 7-inch and 11.6-inch intercom units. Option 1. Unplug the power supply. This option is the easiest one, but the most important thing is knowing where the power supply is located and what it looks like. Usually, the power supply is located in the basement, electrical room, or network room. In the pictures, you can see what the power supply looks like. Simply unplug the AC side of the power supply, and the intercom screen will shut down automatically. To be 100% sure that the correct power supply is disconnected, I recommend checking the intercom screen. Once the screen is off, wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Then plug the AC cord back into the power supply. The intercom will begin its boot up process and will be ready for use once startup is complete. Option 2. Unplug the power supply from the back of the intercom. To power cycle the intercom from the unit itself, you will need the intercom keys, a Phillips screwdriver, and a small flathead screwdriver. First, unlock the intercom, carefully lift it, and remove it from the wall. Please note, the intercom does not support itself once detached, so handle it carefully to prevent damage. On the back of the unit, you will find a protective cover. Remove all 6 screws using a Phillips screwdriver to take off the cover. After removing this cover, you will see an additional wire protection cover, secured by 2 screws. Remove these screws to access the wiring. Once the covers are removed, you will see the green terminals for power and relays. Locate the power terminal as shown in the reference image and loosen the 2 screws securing the power wires. Please note that the power connector may vary depending on the model. Some models use a barrel connector instead of a terminal block. Disconnect the power terminal and wait a few minutes. Then reconnect the power. After completing the power cycle, reinstall all protective covers to ensure the intercom is properly sealed against water and dust. Finally, mount the intercom back onto the wall and lock it securely.